Success is a matter of action through the right constructive plan. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. You have heard it right. If you want to become successful, you need to have great constructive plan of how can you achieve what you really desire. So you will squeeze the big vision into small steps and we will start following these steps. The greatest thing that I really know about success is that success doesn't wait for you. Success must be taken. You can reach for it and you can personally make yourself successful. When you invest so much power into it, when you really start doing things, when you are connecting to people, influencing them, when you are doing the great work, okay? Success will not just come to you when you're sitting in your couch, but you need to go out and take action. Take action through the different conversations with people, take action through the different tasks that you do, share the stories, share the value, share everything that you know with other people, make an impact, do something great so you can be very influential. Be willing to put it all in, be willing to persevere forward, don't procrastinate, but keep doing the buzz around you. Never give up and you will be able to reach for it.